Good morning, everyone. I realized that some of you guys on my virtual class did not get part of this yesterday. And then I have some of you guys that are now home virtually, and I wanted to reach out to you. First of all, I want to say make sure that you check Schoology and you check your assignments. And I'm going to do a couple short videos covering a few things on the assignments. So if you look here for Wednesday, September 23rd through Tuesday, September 29th, I want you to come down here to the in-person things that we would normally be doing in class. And this says Science Data Binder. And it says enter your pretest scores and then your goals. And so that's what I would like for you guys to do right now. If you look over here, I want you to go to the Materials tab. If you guys click on Materials, yours is going to look a little bit different than mine because I have the teacher one. You're going to see the folder that says Start Here. You're going to see the folder that says Unit 1 Chemical Reactions. And then you're going to see a Science Data Binder. If you click on that Science Data Binder, and then it's going to make a copy for you. So when you make a copy, this will open up, and it says Science Data Binder in the year up here. What I would like for you to do is please type in your name here. And if you look at this, you can see that these are the different assessments that you are going to be taking this school year. And we just took the topic 1 structure of matter pretest. And today we're going to fill in the percentage for the pretest and what your goals might be. And so when I say we're going to enter the percentage, we're going to have to look on Schoology instead of Infinite Campus. Infinite Campus does not put the percentage of your pretest in, it just puts it in as a completion grade. So if you did it, then you have a 3. And so for to get that number, if you go back to your Schoology, over here on this left side, you're going to see grades. And I can't bring it up to show you because it will show everybody's grades. But if you click on the grades, then you scroll down until you see the Unit 1 test. And it'll say Unit 1 or Topic 1 Structure of Matter pretest. There should be a percentage right there, already kind of like above the number that you got correct. In the future, you'll probably have a few more tests that are in there. And so if you remember, you just take the number you got correct and divide it by the number possible to get your percentage. And so if I keep trying to scroll here. So if I put in, like say I got a 70%, I would just put 70. Okay, do not put the percentage. Notice that it automatically graphs it over here in the graph. And say, okay, I want to, if you want 100%, if that is your goal, then I want you to type in 100% here. Okay, if your goal is just to pass, if you struggle with chemistry, then feel free to put in an 80%. If you want a B, or if you want an A, a 90%. So we will put your goal in here, and I will be able to look at your science binders. You don't have to submit them to me. When we take our post-test, you will put that percentage in here, and then you will put your retake also. I would also like you to take a moment to click on the About Me tab and type in a couple different things for me, like your first name, middle name, last name. I know that we've kind of done some things about get to know you, but I would like to be able to have this to look at quickly here. Last year, at the end of the year, we did not see our students the fourth quarter, so we kind of came up with some special awards for our team, and I was happy that I had this filled out for my students so I could go and look back at it. So that is the assignment on your Schoology, and don't forget to click Show More. and that is the Science Data Binder information. Enter in your pretest scores and your goals. I am going to do another short video kind of explaining a little bit more of the science assignments. If you have any questions, please send me a message on Microsoft Teams or you can email me.